Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of battling cold and flu symptoms with over-the-counter medications and want to explore natural remedies that actually work, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll share an incredible cold and flu remedy no one told you about, along with a few other natural remedies to keep you feeling your best during the cold season. Let's dive in. The first remedy we'll talk about is elderberry syrup. Elderberry syrup has been used for centuries to fight off cold and flu. It's packed with antioxidants and has been shown to reduce the duration and severity of symptoms. Here's how you can use it. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons daily as a preventative. During illness, take 1 teaspoon every 2 to 3 hours. You can find elderberry syrup at your health stores or make your own at home using dried elderberries, honey, and water. Remember, never eat raw elderberries as they can be toxic. Now let's talk about other remedies that can work wonders for cold and flu symptoms. Ginger tea with honey and lemon. Ginger helps reduce inflammation, while honey soothes a sore throat, and lemon provides vitamin C to boost immunity. Boil fresh ginger slices in water for 10 minutes, add honey and lemon, and drink up to 3 times a day. Next up, we have garlic. Garlic is nature's antibiotic. Eating it raw or adding it to soups can help reduce symptoms. For a potent remedy, crush a clove of garlic and mix it with honey. Steam inhalation with essential oils. Add a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint oil to a bowl of hot water. Place a towel over your head, inhale deeply, and feel your sinuses clear up. Bone broth, rich in nutrients and easy to digest. Bone broth is excellent for hydration and healing during a cold. Add garlic and turmeric for an extra immune boost. Zinc and vitamin C. These two are powerhouse nutrients for fighting colds. Incorporate zinc-rich foods like seeds and nuts, and eat plenty of citrus fruits for vitamin C. Now, while these remedies are amazing, it's equally important to take care of your body with these simple lifestyle tips. Stay hydrated with warm liquids. Get plenty of rest to allow your body to heal. Avoid sugar as it can weaken your immune system. Use a humidifier to keep your nasal passage moist. Now, here are some tips for staying healthy during virus-filled winter months. Boost your immune system. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Focus on food high in vitamin C, citrus fruits, bell peppers, and zinc, nuts, seeds, and legumes. Consider supplements like vitamin D, especially if you get limited sunlight exposure during winter. Stay active. Regular exercise helps strengthen your immune system. Aim for 30 minutes of moderate activity, like walking, most days of the week. Stay hydrated. Even in colder months, hydration is crucial. Drink plenty of water and warm herbal teas to support your body's defenses. Get quality sleep. Sleep is when your body repairs and strengthens its immune system. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Wash your hands regularly. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds to prevent the spread of viruses. Use a humidifier. Dry indoor air can irritate your nasal passages. A humidifier adds moisture to the air. reducing susceptibility to colds and viruses. Avoid sugar overload. Consuming too much sugar can suppress immune response. Opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup instead. Practice stress management. High stress can weaken your immunity. Practice relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or spending time in nature. Here are more health benefits of elderberry syrup. Elderberry syrup is a natural remedy with many proven benefits for health, especially during the winter months. Boosts immunity. Elderberries are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, which support a healthy immune response. Fights colds and flu. Studies suggest elderberry can reduce the duration and severity of colds and flu. It works by inhibiting the virus's ability to replicate. It bears anti-inflammatory properties. Elderberries help reduce inflammation, which is beneficial for soothing sore throats and easing flu-related body aches. High in vitamin C. Just one serving of elderberry syrup provides a good dose of vitamin C, essential for maintaining a strong immune system. Supports respiratory health. Elderberries can help reduce nasal congestion and respiratory discomfort, common symptoms during colds and flu. Rich in antioxidants. Elderberries contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect cells from damage and help your body fight off infections. Safe for most people when prepared correctly. Elderberry syrup is a safe and effective remedy for most people, including children. Consult a doctor for proper dosages. How to use elderberry syrup as a preventative. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons daily during cold and flu season. During illness, take 1 teaspoon every 2 to 3 hours until symptoms improve. By incorporating these tips and elderberry syrup into your routine, you can stay healthier and more resilient during the winter months. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these remedies helpful and feel inspired to try natural ways to combat colds and flu. Now, if you have a go-to natural remedy, share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time, inshallah.